Here are two SEIKO sports watches in two different finishes, stainless steel that has been polished and stone washed, with both sharing a 4-hour movement. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. In the SEIKO 5 lineup, this is a truly underappreciated gem. Although it looks fantastic on pictures, the finish is even more stunning in person. It goes with just about any outfit thanks to neutral tone. It distinguishes itself from majority of other timepieces without the use of vivid colors. There is Hardlex mineral crystal face in both, but one is special under the glass, which is supposed to remind the cement. Instead, reminds me more of a face of a moon with a screened down see-through caseback. The case is only 40mm in diameter and 11.5mm thick, making it fairly compact. 44mm tip to toe, 75 grams and water resistance of 100 meters, and amazing luminous hands and markers that can get very bright and stay visible for the whole night. With 24 jewels and a power reserve of roughly 38 to 42 hours, it means that the watch can be wound by a hand in a clockwise direction. SEIKO asserts that the caliber 4R36 accuracy ranges from +45 to -35 seconds every day, and 21,600 vibrations per hour. Now, the crown position functions. 0 against the case, clockwise would be manual winding. Counterclockwise, we have nothing. Pulled out one click, clockwise, we have day setting. Counterclockwise, date setting. Pulled out two clicks, time setting, clockwise and counterclockwise. Now, as we have them both side by side, which SEIKO timepiece best suits you? Comment down below and have a wonderful holiday season.